Good morning. All right, so what is happening with regards to surveillance videos?
So yes, in reference to that, my client did notify me that he's been trying to send me them. He believed that they have gone through, but it seems the file is not supported. That he's trying to send to my email. So what I can go ahead and do, Judge, is do an investigative request from my investigator to get these videos from him so that I can review before hopeful next court setting. And then I know that the state also did look into a body cam for the person on scene, and it seems like it was a Medina County Reserve officer that was working security there. So she went ahead, Lauren, and reached out to see if he had any body worn cameras.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, this will be the final date for discovery. If you can give me 30 days, is that enough time for both parties?
Yes, Your Honor.
For a final discovery date? All right, January 15th.
Yes,
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, who else is ready? Cassandra Garza.
Here, Your Honor.
All right, so good morning. So how's PTD going?
It's good, Your Honor. We've been accepted. I have the stamped copy that has been received by the DA's office.
Okay, awesome.
We're in the program, we've accepted the contract, we've signed it and turned it in.
All right, just make sure you follow through on everything, all right?
Yes.
Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date, please. All right, January 15th. Once you sign the reset form, you are excused. And counsel, if she has completed everything and I receive the dismissal, then I will have signed it before that date. But if not, she'll need to appear.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring your reset form. All right, who's next? David Cortez Jimenez. All right, today is the plea deadline date.
Judge, my client requesting the court for more time. He hasn't talked to immigration. He's not a U.S. citizen. He's worried about being deported.
Now, this is being set for a jury trial. Norma, set this for a jury trial. I'm sorry, are you a Spanish speaker?
Yes.
Are you able to understand everything that I'm saying?
I understand a little bit, but
Well, Norma, have an interpreter come down, just have a seat. Time when the interpreter's here, we'll bring you up. And Norma, I'm gonna need a jury trial date for the first week in January.
Thank you.
Because this case has been going on since August. Not letting people put off for tomorrow what can be done today.
No, I learned.
I'm sorry, if you could cite just a second. All right, Norma. Mr. Kasmeric case has been resolved and there's no need to have him transferred from Nueces County. You're welcome. All right, and Henry Salazar. All right, why were you late for court?
Having trouble with parking and then long line outside.
All right, so here's the thing, you need to adjust for those in timing, all right? But thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, State, were you able to amend the MTR?
I think we are working on the amendment for the MTR, Judge. Additionally, defense counsel brought it to our attention that Mr. Salazar has retained counsel. So we can.
All right, who's the retained counsel?
Your Honor, that's going to be Mr. Mark Hull, and then I think that there's a Hillary
All right, so,
Crossup is supposed to be appearing for them today.
all right, so just have a seat. You need to call and tell your other attorneys to appear. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Can I make two, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
Shakira Laraga, sorry. All right, so in this case, has the evaluation been completed
It has been, Your Honor.
and the results?
She was found competent and sane at the time of the offense.
Okay. And you had the hearing in Magistrate's Court?
Court, yes.
All right, thank you. All right, so then today is plea deadline date.
Yes, we have received a new offer. There's some missing discovery that Ms. Galloway is going to look into. I do need some more time. The discovery is somewhat voluminous, so I need to go over that with.
All right, and what discovery is missing?
There's a body cam where the officer's approaching the vehicle. It's the first officer to approach. So we have
Mhm.
other body cams, but not that body cam.
Okay,
That's kind of an important body cam.
and is that the only missing discovery?
And to our knowledge, yes, but it is somewhat voluminous.
All right, Norma, can you recall this for final plea deadline date on that first week in January, Thursday? All right, so we will be back on the 8th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Did you catch that? That's kind of an important body cam. That's judge speak for this evidence matters a lot. The first officer's body cam often sets the narrative, what was said, how the stop began, and whether rights were respected. Missing footage like this can make or break a case. And here's the takeaway. Transparency isn't optional, it's foundational.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, Mr. Cortez. All right, your case has been in this court. It's an old case. I believe it must have been transferred here because it has a 2019 indictment date. But your case has been in this court since August of 2025. Your jury trial date is going to be January 6, 2026. You will be going to trial on that date. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And defense, before you leave, I need you to sign a discovery acknowledgement state on Cortez 2019 CR 6016. He's on page 11.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's David Cortez Jimenez. I need an acknowledgement of discovery filed in some.
Okay.
All right, and Ms. Ferguson, if you'll give him his reset form. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Rogelio Ibarra. Hello,
Hey, Judge, good morning.
good morning. All right, so where are we? I think you wanted some drug testing.
Well, there's some,
Data?
there was lab stuff that we had been requesting.
Mhm.
We technically have not received that. However, I've been in communication with Mrs. Galloway. And I think we're close to working this case out. She does need to verify some information that I've provided to her. And I think after that, I think we may have an agreement.
Okay, and how old are you, sir?
I'm 18 now.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a date for disposition the third week in January. All right, we'll be back on January 22nd on that date. This case is either going to be resolved by agreement or either it's going to be jury trial.
Just
All right, thank you. And once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, Belena Page. All right, so today is supposed to be plea deadline date. And,
We have an agreement, Judge. We need to set it.
all right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. How long do y'all expect this will last? All right, 3 days. So your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand? All right. All right, can you do it earlier in March or that's the only thing that's available? All right, we'll bring you back on March 10th. That will be your jury trial date. And I need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's spring break. Not
Okay.
available that week.
All right, the week after March 10th. Or either the end of February.
Okay. Thank
What,
you.
February 24th?
Yes.
Hey, Black History Month, I'll be here. All right, February 24th will be your jury trial date.
This is the courtroom version of You Missed the Flight. Once a plea deadline expires, the judge is no longer obligated to consider deals. From this point on, it's trial or an open plea with no guarantees. That line, without good cause, is doing a lot of work here. Courts reward preparation, not procrastination.
Hi, you have Mertens?
Thank you, Judge.
All right. So do you have the discovery now?
I do need to go through it, Judge. It's about a terabyte worth of evidence, and I need to go through to make sure that is all the evidence. We did receive our first offer today,
Okay.
and so I've reviewed that with them, and we need to go through the evidence and consider that offer.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date at the end of January.
Fine.
All right, so January 26th will be your plea deadline date. At that time, you need to let me know whether or not you reach an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next court date will be a jury trial setting, and the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause, or you have to plead open to the court after that time. Do you understand? All right, how old are you? All right. Do you have any questions about anything?
Are you like fire reduction?
Oh, your attorney will have to file something and then the court will consider it. And counsel, he says he's 18. Do you need longer than that date to go over things with him? I just find that young people, sometimes they don't understand the consequences
We have gone through the initial.
or internalize everything, I should say. All right, then that will be your plea deadline date.
Okay, Judge.
I want to put that.
Oh, thank you. You too. And counsel, if you want to file motions and have them heard, you can. And counsel, on that case, if you could do the acknowledgement of discovery, please. State, there needs to be an acknowledgement of discovery on Mertens.
Yes.
All right, the parties on Manuel Moses Ramirez. And are there applications?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, there are no applications. Court is calling 2025 CR 013930, State versus Manuel Moses Ramirez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Sean Sheffield for defendant. We're ready, Your Honor.
All right. And are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, I'm trying to find your true bill of indictment. Yeah, it's not here. All right, thank you. Oh, no, found it. It was stuck to another document. All right, Mr. Ramirez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Your client needs to sign that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. All right, your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, has anyone threatened you,
No.
coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand
I
it?
did, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 12 months in the state jail facility. There's $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
No.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both
I
places?
did.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such
No,
motions?
Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Guilty?
Guilty.
not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure do, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
No.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We would ask you to so, yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just asked the court to follow the recommendation.
All right, the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently, and I'll suggest the therapeutic community for you.
Thank you, Judge.
The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's just to help you with your sobriety. I do not have the authority to force them to place you in the program or order them to place you in the program. They'll just see on the judgment that I'm recommending that for you. When you get to the state jail facility, you'll have to request it as well. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. How old are you?
I'm 41.
All right, you're 41. If you continue on the path that you're on, only 1 or 2 things are going to happen. Either you're going to end up being in prison or the Bexar County Jail or somebody's jail for the rest of your life, or either you're going to end up using, and the last time you use may be the last time you use, because you never know if you're going to overdose, if somebody didn't make it correctly or what. You understand? Because the people who are selling that, they're usually not concerned about the person, because otherwise maybe they wouldn't be doing it. It's usually selfish reasons, all right?
This is no longer about statutes or sentencing ranges. This is a judge speaking human to human. At 41 years old, the court isn't just closing a case, it's issuing a warning about survival. Prison, addiction, or death, that's the reality she lays out. And notice the offer at the end. Come back here, I'll help. Accountability and compassion, side by side. That's the justice system at its best.
When you're released from custody, if you can't find a place that can help you with your sobriety, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and I'll see if I can find transitional housing for you.
I appreciate it.
And in that police report, I saw that you were with someone. You can't help somebody until you help yourself.
Right.
So if they're using, it's not good for you to be around them because they're going to feed into your use. All right?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you. Thank you,
Thank you.
counsel.